YouTube, what's going on? Today I've got the Shark Apex 0M. I've got the power head connected directly to the handle without the wand. We're gonna clean this we're gonna vacuum this mattress. Now, if anyone asked why am I vacuuming a mattress cover, this is a purple mattress. Underneath this cover is actually just a rubbery grid pattern membrane, which you can't vacuum. So this also, you're not supposed to frequently wash it. It's got spandex material and such in it, so you could damage it. So I'm going to vacuum this directly, and we're going to see what we get out. Now, dust cup is empty. As you can see, there's nothing in there other than dust clinging to the sides. So it should give us a good representation of what is going to come out of here. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and we'll see what we get. Alright. Wow. So I don't know how well you can see this down here. It's a little ball of dust. That's what came out of the mattress. Here's a better view of it. That's pretty gross. And I mean, it looked clean, right? It's all dead skin, pet dander, and everything else. And I mean, I keep sheets and a blanket on here as well. So yeah, I'll definitely say whenever you go to wash your sheets, change your sheets, vacuum your mattress, keep it clean, because you get that nastiness out of there. So that's it. This will be a quick video. I see a lot of people do this, so I wanted to try it myself. If you have a power lift away Shark, I definitely recommend it, because this bad boy is going to do a lot more agitation than a turbo tool. That way you don't got to sacrifice suction for spinning that turbine. So I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, helps the channel out. Subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment below. Tell me what you think.